in camo. Now I would have loved to have seen it. So what did you think of it? Anybody give me a what? Amazing. Why?
The emotion is so separate from what.
Yeah. He's a wonderful actor. Actually, you can see he's a wonderful actor in Vampire Diaries, but you see him every day play a different character, and I think he played a war veteran in this. Yeah, who had PTSD or something like that, right?
Yeah, he just lost his wife.
Who lost his wife? Okay. Yeah. But I mean, that's what's fascinating about stretching your muscle as an actor. It's I love. I've been doing these 2 projects actually, which you have to see. Last year I did this project where I play a cardinal. Can you imagine? Michael Michelson, the cardinal. Who am I going to fight next? No. It was this amazing project called The Young Pope. It's going to be on HBO in October. It's with Jude Law and Diane Keaton and James Cromwell and some amazing French and Italian actors, and myself included. I play a French guy called the Cardinal Michel Marivaux. Everyone understood. He's like, ooh. No, it was an extraordinary experience to basically play someone totally different. I played this very pure and earnest cardinal, which is quite rare in the Catholic Church. Actually, you'll see these. This is going to be actually raised in the series. It's going to be actually a very sort of how shall I put it? It's going to be it's going to create waves, I think, this series, because it's not going to be your average Vatican series. You know what I'm saying?